Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do another unboxing. I am super excited for this one. I am going to unbox my Smeg Hand Held Mixer. I am so excited. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time, and I was super lucky enough to get this handheld Smeg gifted to me. So I can't wait to open it and to show you guys. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. Okay, so my first impressions is, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the cream color, I love the silver letters and the silver on the handle here. It also has a nice grip, a great grip. Probably can't see it very well here, but there's like a great grip on the handle for your fingers to go over, and it's very comfortable. It comes with quite a few different attachments. So it comes with this one, and these as well. So I'm super excited to try this handheld out. I do have a hand mixer that I bought on Amazon for like $13 many years ago, and it still works very well. I still love it, but I've been wanting to upgrade, and I finally had the chance to, so I can't wait to give this more of a thorough review, and I will let you guys know more about it, how it works, what these different little detachments are for. So once I get to know this a little bit better, I'll definitely do more of a review and also use it and show you guys how I use this handheld. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. This video was short and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. Like I mentioned before, the Smeg Hand Held Mixer was gifted to me. This video is not sponsored. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.